Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do unboxing and review for American Tourister trolley bag. I bought this one from Amazon online shopping. You can buy it from same website or from any other website where you get the best deal. You can buy it personally from store as well. So without wasting much time, let's see what this box actually contains. So now we are ready with this American Tourister bag, and on the top of bag they have given some tagging like key feature. Main feature are like TSA locking. This bag has an expandable, it can be expanded. Extra lightweight, this bag is lightweight even though the size is very big. Double wheel, 3-year international warranty, and big volume. Of course it has big volume because it is big size. And let's see what is there. How to open this? This bag is already locked with the default code, which is 000, so we can just open it. This is the main compartment. Quality of the cloth is very good. It's a waterproof. And on this top side there is main another compartment which is equally big size. Similar lock. Depth is also equal. Two pouch here. In one pouch there are some manual. This is manual mention that how to reset the password for this thing. Let's lock it. Again back to this main lock. When it's set, we can change the code to lock it, or cannot be open. American Tourister has given one more chain which is to extend the bag. So if I open this, you can see that this bag can be extended 3 to 5 centimeters based on the extra luggage. So this is a very interesting feature. It's very useful. That's all in the package. This suitcase is very nice and it's very lightweight. Seeing the size, I was expecting that it will be bulky, but it's very lightweight. But the document it says that it is 4.5 kg, but it's not more than that. Technically it's very light, and the wheel size is very good. It's very strong. I'm sure it can hold the extra weightage it is carrying, and it's very smooth also. It's making some sound in first. Let me rotate it in the carpet. It's really very smooth. There is no noise. Overall, I am satisfied with the quality of this baggage. It's very good. Suitcase is really very nice. I believe it will last for many years. This bag is made up of polypropylene material, which is very rough and tough material used for suitcase manufacturing. American Tourister and many other companies are using this material, and this is scratch free. Even if you dump it, you throw it, American Tourister claim that it will not break. It's unbreakable material. It's very strong. So overall, it's very good. I would like to recommend this package. You can buy a similar one. It's quality is very satisfactory.